1. Which is the first state of India? A. Assam. B. Bihar. C. Punjab. D. Goa. The answer is D. Goa. 2. How many bones are there in the toes of human feet? A. 26 bones. B. 30 bones. C. 32 bones. D. 28 bones. The answer is A. 26 bones. 3. Who is called the Queen of Spices? A. 2 raisins. B. Cardamom. C. Red chili. D. Cashew. The answer is B. Cardamom. 4. Which bird drinks only rainwater? A. Ostrich. B. Parrot. C. Chatak bird. D. Cuckoo. The answer is A. Ostrich. 5. Which country is also known as Mini Punjab? A. Canada. B. Nepal. C. Indonesia. D. France. The answer is A. Canada. 6. Which creature survives for 7 days even after being beheaded? A. Horse. B. Cockroach. C. Scorpion. D. Elephant. The answer is B. Cockroach. 7. Whose horse was Chetak horse? A. Queen of Jhansi. B. Akbar's. C. Sher Shah Suri. D. Rana Pratap. The answer is D. Rana Pratap. 8. Which state is called the gateway to India? A. Shimla. B. Mumbai. C. Delhi. D. Goa. The answer is B. Mumbai. 9. Who is known as Missile Man in India? A. Bhagat Singh. B. APJ Abdul Kalam. C. Rajendra Prasad. D. Narendra Modi. The answer is B. APJ Abdul Kalam. 10. Which country is considered to have invented the aeroplane? A. Japan country. B. China country. C. America country. D. India country. The answer is C. America country. 11. What percentage of water is there in the human brain? A. 20%. B. 40%. C. 60%. D. 80%. The answer is D. 80%. 12. How many years is the lifespan of a rabbit? A. 5 years old. B. 8 years old. C. 15 years old. D. 4 years old. The answer is B. 8 years old. 13. Bull is the national animal of which country? A. Spain. B. France. C. Pakistan. D. Nepal. The answer is A. Spain. 14. Which animal's milk never curdles? A. Goat. B. Elephant. C. Camel. D. Buffalo. The answer is C. Camel. 15. Which is the largest cardamom producing country in the world? A. India country. B. Norway. C. China country. D. Guatemala country. The answer is D. Guatemala country.